result talks about the outcomes. What is the outcome? The outcome is about election results. A court process may be slow, but with surety, you will get the results when you know you are on firm grounds.
From the west coast of West Africa straight down to the sandy beaches of Ghana, the name still remains Mr. Celebrity. Okay, in somebody they be say things are happening. Just this morning, an Accra High Court. In fact, let me read it so that I don't take anything out of context and then they're saying people make war for this country. I'm reading from City FM. The High Court has dismissed the National Democratic Congress parliamentary objection regarding the court's jurisdiction to hear the mandamus application filed by the New Patriotic Party. On Tuesday, December 31, the NDC argued that the mandamus application was an attempt by the NPP to challenge the election results in constituencies where the NDC had been declared victorious without following the proper process outlined in sections 16 and 20 of the Representation of the People Law, PNDC Law 284, as amended.
Right? So the simple argument they were making was that section 16 and 20 of the ROPA Act, that is PNDC Law 284, says that there are 4 grounds you can challenge an election petition, right? And it has been that you are talking about intimidation and the rest. And we are saying that within, you cannot come under mandamus says that they should perform a public function or public duty.
So NDC wanted to use the back door to, try to get the system to work for them, but we didn't fact. So we are all aware of the fact that after the elections, there are some skirmishes here and there where there are some outstanding parliamentary seats that needs to be addressed. So NDC went to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, said they should come back to the High Court to hear both parties, right, argue their case. Now, now NDC also wanted to use backdoor, like I said before, so that the case would actually be thrown out of court, so that the likes of Sadiq, Irabna Alban, Ebi Bright and co, because they had been declared already, if the case was thrown out, then they would still remain MPs. But the court said that no, that this was not an election petition, and so each parties or all parties involved should argue their case. And in the end, if evidence is provided, and the MPP win or the NDC win, then what is right will be done.
We have every patience for the law. A court process may be slow, but with surety, you will get the results when you know you are on firm grounds. What it is about this, simply put, the Electoral Commission itself has stated with emphasis that there is no such thing as a declaration of results in Okaikwe Central, Ablekuma North, and Tema Central, as well as Domiko Abenya. So they have already administratively declared those results as illegal. And the Electoral Commission is doing its work. So this argument that they declared results, is either here nor there.
Have argued that if the Electoral Commission has agreed that there was no proper declaration so-called, this could have been corrected by an administrative fiat. Why didn't you engage them to do so?
This is what they've done. You remember that we were all at Tesano police station. There was an agreement that we should all be at Tesano and do the collation. We were at the Tesano Police Training School. On Thursday, we agreed to do 4 constituencies. When they realized that we had won all, that was when they started making their noise. Then they threatened the EC, and in the process, EC wrote to the police to provide protection. And it was within that period of delay that we came to court for an order of mandamus and also for the EC to be protected by the security agencies so that they do their work. That's the application we're on.
But I don't know why all this fight is going on in the first place. As far as I'm concerned, right? The MPP wanted to, do everything within their means to ensure that the NDC do not get that 184 that they needed so badly. That was what the attempt was all about. But the funny thing is, yesterday, when Akurugu Elikplin was adjudged the winner by the EC, it made the NDC seat right now 184. So that supermajority that they needed, they have it now. Plus, there are other independent candidates that have made it clear that they are going to, caucus with them. The NDC, I mean, in Parliament. So I don't know why all this fuss about, I don't know what that, because Charlie, we those in this industry, we have quite a number of people that we want our voices to be heard in Parliament. And now Elibright is entering there. Baba Sadiq is also entering. And these MPP people are doing everything within their power to ensure that these people do not get into the house. Why? As for the creative arts, they say we have to suffer and suffer and suffer and suffer before we get it. Master, MPP people, we beg you, just let this thing go. Let even if you take some, let Baba Sadiq go. Let Elibright go. Let Oben, because she's a woman. Might be biased. Anyways, the name still remains Mr. Celebrity. I just needed to update you on this particular thing because what is going on here in Ghana right now, because accountability is coming, and if you are able to get your position right out there, sometimes you are able to get away with certain things. But if you lose the position, massa, and accountability grabs you, you have nowhere to go. Mr. Celebrity right here. Do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. I'm out.